I'm Asparagus. I make your pee smell weird, I cost too much at restaurants, and I'm only available for part of the year. But there's a reason nutrition experts keep talking about me. I'm one of the richest natural sources of folate you can find in the vegetable world, and I contain a unique antioxidant compound called glutathione that's involved in your body's natural detoxification processes. And yes, the smell thing is completely real. In fact, it's one of the most scientifically fascinating food effects you ever experience. Asparagus is often considered the ultimate spring vegetable. Elegant, slightly expensive, and a little mysterious. Americans eat only about 1.5 pounds of asparagus per person each year, far less than many European countries. Yet despite its relatively low popularity, asparagus delivers an impressive nutritional package. A single cup of cooked asparagus provides roughly 67% of your daily folate needs, along with significant amounts of vitamin K, vitamin A, fiber, and several powerful plant compounds. Let's start with folate because that's where asparagus truly shines. Folate is one of the most important vitamins in the human body. It's required for DNA production, red blood cell formation, and normal cell growth. It's especially important during pregnancy because folate supports proper neural tube development in a growing fetus. This is why healthcare professionals place so much emphasis on adequate folate intake before and during pregnancy. What's interesting is that the folate found in asparagus occurs naturally within the food itself, alongside fiber and other beneficial nutrients. Unlike synthetic folic acid found in fortified foods, natural folate comes packaged in a way that fits into a whole food dietary pattern. Just one serving of asparagus can provide more folate than many people consume from grains and cereals throughout an entire day. But folate isn't the only reason asparagus stands out. One of its most unique features is its glutathione content. Glutathione is often called the body's master antioxidant. It's a small molecule made from 3 amino acids, and it plays a critical role in helping your body manage oxidative stress. Your liver uses glutathione as part of its natural detoxification system. It binds to certain waste products and compounds, helping your body process and remove them. Your body produces glutathione on its own, but dietary sources may help support healthy levels. Asparagus happens to be one of the vegetables that naturally contains meaningful amounts of glutathione. Scientists are still studying exactly how much dietary glutathione contributes to overall health, but its biological role inside the body is well established. Another nutrient found in asparagus is vitamin K. 1 cup provides around 20% of your daily requirement. Vitamin K is essential for normal blood clotting, but it also plays a major role in bone health. It helps activate proteins involved in binding calcium to bone tissue. Without adequate vitamin K, your body can't efficiently use calcium where it's needed most. Asparagus also contains vitamin A, which supports vision, immune function, and healthy skin. While carrots usually get all the attention for vitamin A, asparagus quietly contributes meaningful amounts as well. Now let's talk about something happening inside your digestive system. Asparagus contains a special type of fiber called **inulin**. Inulin is classified as a probiotic fiber. Unlike regular carbohydrates, probiotics aren't digested by your body. Instead, they serve as food for beneficial bacteria living in your gut. Research suggests that inulin may help increase populations of beneficial bacteria such as Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus. These microbes contribute to digestion, immune function, and overall gut health. Although asparagus contains only about 2 to 3 grams of fiber per cup, the quality of that fiber makes it especially valuable. Another interesting compound found in asparagus is **asparagen**. In fact, asparagus was the vegetable that gave this amino acid its name. Asparagine plays a role in protein synthesis and nervous system function. While most people get enough asparagine through a normal diet, it's still a fascinating example of how certain foods contribute unique compounds to human nutrition. Now let's address the question everyone wants answered. Why does asparagus make urine smell strange? The answer comes from sulfur-containing compounds called asparagusic acid. When your body digests asparagus, these compounds break down into smaller sulfur molecules. Those molecules are rapidly excreted through urine, often within 15 to 30 minutes after eating. The result is the distinctive odor many people recognize immediately. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Research suggests that nearly everyone produces these sulfur compounds. However, not everyone can smell them. The ability to detect the odor depends largely on genetics. Some people possess odor receptors capable of detecting the sulfur compounds, while others don't. This means two people can eat the exact same meal and have completely different experiences afterward. Let's look at the different types of asparagus. Green asparagus is the variety most people know. It grows in sunlight, producing chlorophyll, which gives it its green color. White asparagus is actually the same plant. The difference is that it's grown underground or covered from sunlight. Without exposure to light, chlorophyll never develops, resulting in pale white spears with a milder flavor. Purple asparagus contains additional pigments called anthocyanins, the same antioxidant compounds found in blueberries and purple grapes. Although cooking often causes purple asparagus to turn green, it still contains slightly higher antioxidant levels than standard green varieties. So what does the research actually support? The evidence for asparagus as an excellent folate source is extremely strong. Its vitamin K content contributes meaningfully to bone health. Its probiotic fiber supports beneficial gut bacteria. Its glutathione content is biochemically significant, although researchers continue investigating how much dietary glutathione directly affects human health. Overall, asparagus isn't a miracle food, but it is a highly nutrient-dense vegetable that efficiently delivers several nutrients many people don't get enough of. Let's clear up a few common myths. Some people think asparagus is just an overpriced luxury vegetable. In reality, it's one of the most folate-dense vegetables available. Another myth is that only certain people produce the urine odor. Research suggests nearly everyone produces the compounds, but only some people can smell them. Many people also believe white asparagus is a completely different species. It isn't. It's simply green asparagus grown without sunlight. Finally, some people worry that asparagus automatically causes gout. Asparagus does contain moderate levels of purines, which can contribute to uric acid production. However, most people can enjoy asparagus normally, while individuals with gout may simply need to monitor portion sizes. If you're buying asparagus, choose firm spears with tightly closed tips. Store them upright in a small amount of water in the refrigerator, almost like a bouquet of flowers. When preparing asparagus, snap off the woody bottom portion naturally where it breaks. Roasting or grilling often provides better flavor than boiling. Try pairing asparagus with lemon juice or vinegar, which adds brightness and may help improve iron absorption from meals. Most importantly, avoid overcooking it. Perfect asparagus should remain bright green and slightly crisp. Asparagus may have a reputation for causing strange bathroom experiences, but that's only a small part of its story. Behind that famous smell is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables in the produce aisle, packed with folate, vitamin K, probiotic fiber, and unique antioxidant compounds. The price might be a little higher than some vegetables, but the nutritional return is real. Next time you see asparagus at the grocery store, you'll know there's a lot more going on than a funny smell. In the next episode, we'll explore eggplant, one of the most misunderstood vegetables in the world, and uncover the fascinating science behind its unusual reputation. Subscribe so you don't miss it.